Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my ultimate peanut cake recipe, so enjoy! In a medium bowl, we're going to combine our peanut butter with our honey. Now we're adding our sugar and we're going to combine that until it is light and fluffy. Next, we're going to add our oil and we're going to mix that in as well. Once that's combined, we're going to add one of our eggs and we're going to mix until it is mostly combined. Once that's done, we're going to add our second egg. We're going to mix that in as well. Now we're going to add our flavorings. I'm adding vanilla and rose almond essence, and you can add whatever you like. I'm going to mix that well. Now we're going to add half of our dry ingredients. All of them were combined in a little bowl, and we're going to add some of our peanut punch with the vinegar inside of it. We're going to mix that until it is mostly combined because you do not want to overmix this cake batter. Once it looks like this, we're going to add a second portion of the dry ingredients and the second portion of the peanut punch mixture. And we're going to mix that until it is mostly combined. As you can see, the batter is a little bit too thick, so we're going to add our hot water to the mixture and we're going to mix it until it is just combined. Ensure that you get everything because sometimes the batter tends to stay down, so you have to ensure that you get everything and combine it well enough with the hot water so that everything has the same consistency. Now that that's done, we're going to add half of our mixture to our greased 8-inch tin. We're going to make sure that it's even in the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to add some of our crushed peanut as well as some of our chocolate candy. Cheers, you guys can use M&Ms or any other bits of chocolate candy. I'm gonna stir that in. Next, we're going to add the rest of our batter, and we're going to do the same thing as well. We're going to add the rest of our crushed peanuts and the bits of chocolate candy. This is what the cake looked like when it was done. I loved it so much. It's such an awesome recipe. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.